Good evening or good morning. Today we're going to unbox the smart cover for the iPad 9th generation. Here it is. Let's pull it out. And that is all. It connects with the smart pins on the bottom. And that's how it's supposed to be. And then it'll go like this. So like that. Looking at it, I think it's well, I'd say better. I like it. I can feel the iPad again. Anyway, yeah, this is the quick unboxing of the iPad smart cover. Obviously, it's not the strongest magnet, but it'll unlock the iPad. Well, it won't unlock it, but it'll wake it up and then it'll close itself. There you go. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button, like and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.